Hello everyone, I am Pratik Sankhe, leader of Team Nicolaus. Firstly, I would like to thank you all for all the support which you have shown us in NMO quarter final. Now, for the NMO season 4 semi-final, we were given a case where Madhya Pradesh government has invited many private companies to participate in the designing, construction, as well as financing and operation of transfer of integrated municipal solid waste management project, as well as to turn this waste into wealth for the same purpose. We as a team have participated in this MP government waste to wealth scheme for the city of Bhopal. Now I will show you the presentation to give you the overview of all the department. We team Nicholas has come up with a detailed solution for the case. Our name is Trash Gold, as it goes with our work, that is converting waste into wealth. We also have a retail brand name which is called Eco Trendy, as we create various retail products like clothing, wallets, etc. So let's see about the problem statement in detail. So the problem statement is which all the major cities all over the world are facing, that is solid waste generation and its management. The reasons are rapid population expansion and increase in the living standard of the people. These are the uniqueness of our proposal. We are trying to build a complete system with the latest technology with strong IT infrastructure. This will not only make the system smart but also increase the efficiency. Our team focus is completely to become self-sufficient with initial focus on retail products, a way to waste to wealth. As you all know, retail is the way forward. With the initial focus to convert paper, plastic and related waste into yarn and fabric, and consequently make it into final fashion clothing, which include wearables as well as accessories for all the categories, that is men, women and children. With time, we will also focus on fuel production from the waste and waste dumping in the road preparation. Talking about the financial model, we have created a profitable financial model with the investment payback period of 5.47 years and an IRR for the period of 18.25%. Talking about return brand positioning, it is synchronous with the current era so that our main focus and our main target customers are the youth of this nation. Talking about the HR front, the employee salary will be as per the industry standards, and we will have various activities and efforts done by the company to increase the retention rate. Supporting women workforce and collaborating with the NGO is another unique initiative from our HR department. Our HR department is not only unique in terms of its standard of payment, but also in reward system. Sant Gadge Baba Award Youth of India is a unique award started by our team, along with the Golden Employee Award, Start of the Month Award, and various spot awards to encourage people from the ground to the upper management. Strong MI system created by the IT department to inform all the stakeholders about the progress and the current state of the project will be the game changer. Other unique plan initiatives are colored dustbin at all the household as well as commercial properties to help to segregate all the waste at the starting point only. Also, we have come up with a new initiative of Trash Gold application, which will help the admin as well as the truck drivers to know where they have to do the waste pickup, and it will help in better waste management.
So first of all, we have proposed the company name, logo, and tag, which goes with the Trash Gold. So we are definitely converting waste to wealth, that is trash to cash. And this is our mission, vision, and driving values. So first of all, we have outlined that according to the need. Then why should we chosen up is because we collect trash from home. We have green credits and shopping. We have pickup schedules as well as paperless billing and online billing. So this is how the municipal solid waste management goes, which includes the wet waste, dry waste, and C&D waste, which includes repair and renovation waste. So first of all, what we propose is a circular economy, which includes the 3 Rs, of course, and then the production, distribution, consumption. And this is the study of the Bhopal city that we have done. And so first of all, we characterize the municipal solid waste in Bhopal. According to that, we have started with our marketing efforts for all the groups. So first thing that we propose is dustbin color coding sensitization to the public, so that they are aware of the segregation and importance of segregation of the waste, as it will be a wealth to them if that is done from the core level. Second would be developing the trash gold application that will include for the users, for the drivers, as well as for the admin, which will help them to have a good management system regarding the pickups, disposal, and recycling. And then we'll do the door-to-door collection with our Swachhta Mitras uh, from Trash Gold. And the first main thing that needs to change is the behavioral response of people. So this is how we can do it from mass scale by targeting groups and individuals in local areas. Including awareness through audio awareness rallies, mohalla committees, and home composting, kitchen gardening, and even giving the pamphlets and putting it up on local news channels. Then we can also take help from digital marketing and grievance redressal of people by chatbots that we'll develop through our apps. Then digital marketing, which includes different social media marketing and even joining some of the collaboration with some of the celebrities and even with the local NGOs for the same. Then the initiatives that we'll pick up to convert this picked up waste to wealth would be organic waste to power generation that can be used in the streetlights in Bhopal city. Then we can also make fuel production, which can be the syngas and even the RDFs. And then we can also use these plastics in building roads, which is already being taken up in Bhopal city through Sarthak Sanstha. And then we can also do the vocational trainings and collaboration for people in the city, where they can learn to convert these waste into something useful, which includes the organic composting, as well as using these plastics to make earrings or chandeliers or even the other stuff, which and this will also give employment to few people and help in Skill India. Then main thing that we have come up is to start with a new brand, which is product launching name Eco Trendy Clothing, which will go with the tagline going zero waste. So we'll convert these plastics and everything through the factories. Again, we'll do the collaboration, and then we'll convert these into clothings. And these clothings can be used in different collection, including footwears, handbags, accessories, and even the normal clothing line.
Looking at the key objectives, there are two basic points that we are going to cover in this presentation. First is financial plan, demonstrating the risk and return involved in the project to be undertaken. And second is the financial model to evaluate the weighted return expected from this project. Let us now move forward to the revenue stream. So I have just summarized this in this entire presentation. What are the streams of revenue that are going to come to our company? So one of the revenue stream is household tax collection. Second is revenue from the government schemes that are being proposed. Third is recycle of the product. The fourth is revenue from the compost that we can do with the solid waste management, and that can be sold again to the normal citizens of the country who needs it for their production part. And fifth is municipality pay. So what we consider in the municipality pay is that we will get a lump sum amount to carry out the process that is being done by the municipality itself. So if we are saving their cost there, that side, we can implement that, we can take away that cost to our revenue stream. Moving to the cost stream, so cost aspect. So we have categorized it into three aspects. First is capital expenditure. So whatever is the costliest, means the lot of hardware materials that are required for our company, we have considered in capital expenditures. Second is HR expenditure. So what we considered is the HR is one of the most important part of this project, because there would be a lot of labor intensive work going on, and we need to cater them properly, because if we don't cater it properly at this moment, this can result into backfall in the upcoming years. Third is other expense. So what are the main chunk of the other expense are explained in the presentation, detailed presentation in the later part of the solution. But to cover it in the most part, what we have considered is a 2 crore expenditure for marketing of our eco-trendy resale product, which will be done over a period of 5 years. So we have considered 20 lakhs from that in the other expense. Similarly, other expense would include legal bifurcation that we will keep aside and other parts. So the total expense comes out to be 5.13 crores. Coming to the key points that we need to take care in this project is payback period is 5.47 years. The IRR for the project comes out to be 18.25%. And the final comment from the finance department is that we have a surplus amount that can be taken from as in bank credit facility, and we can take that credit on for the working capital if the cost of debt is less than the IRR that has been calculated for our project.
So the IT team will basically consist of CTO, the Chief Technology Officer. It will have one data engineer, one data analyst, one support technician, one IIoT expert, and 3 engineers. The IT department's plan will be to oversee the technical aspect of the company as well as the infrastructure and system operation. We have planned to build a meta smart factory with the state-of-art IT technologies, which will monitor supervised manufacturing. We will integrate a monitoring and control platform directly with the industrial equipments. We will make use of drones and CCTV to monitor the whole facility. Plastic, paper, and other recyclable waste, we will be turning it into yarn for clothing, and all the non-recyclable garbage will be utilized to make ethanol, which will be a biofuel, and cement blocks for road building. So IT will handle the aspects such as data centers to store all the data that will be created, CRM software, licensing and installation, MIS software, licensing and data storage, integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into production system, as well as the data science part. We will also look over cyber security to give protection to data from external sources. We will be installing and using cloud-based ERP in our entire facility. We will formulate IT policies for the complete facility and the employees. We will design the website which from where we will sell the products produced, and all the information regarding the production will be posted there. We will look after IT communication, all the inter-department communications.
So our main motto is to convert the city is a place where the people can live healthily and with the wealth. So this is the solution summary. So I have focused on the first is the waste management, workforce management training for the all the employees of each and every department, and their performance evaluation, and give them the reward systems as per their work. So this is the solution that I have worked. So this is the diagram where the human resource strategy will be work with the waste management, and at last we get the sustainable competitive advantage. So first is the workforce management. So we have divided this workforce in the number of categories. So this is the finance department. We have a director, manager, assistant manager, like as the marketing, IT, HR, production, and other staff. That is the cleaners, drivers, waste segregators, and the crane operators will be there. The chemical engineer and mechanical manager will be also there. And the main thing that I have to introduce that we are going to give them award as per their evaluation. The awards will be as the mainly focus on the men and women, those who are working in the NGO, those who are the part of the NGO. And this is the main scheme that I have to introduce. We are going to provide the one scheme for them for those who are interested to get educated in the future, and this will be help from our company, and this is the training plan. The performance evaluation is based on the monthly, weekly, and supervised performance. This will be the dashboard we'll use in the future. And this is the reward system. So the reward system is for the all employees from the HR, finance, marketing, but we are introducing one special reward for the stars of our company, as this is the job that we have to convert the waste to the wealth. And to collect this waste, the cleaners, drivers, and waste segregators are doing their job, and without them it is not possible. So for them we are introducing the Santa Gadge Baba Awards, the youth of the India, as we all know about the work of the Santa Gadge Baba, who taught the importance of hygiene and cleaning. So this is the all about, and at last we will get the best output to be the sustainable in the future.